to face William Ruto in the presidential debate. Hiyo mtu tukikutana kwa debate nitamkaanga, lakini that's the only disappointment I would have. But otherwise we'll be available to do what we must do, isn't it? Let's be watchful and very alert. William Ruto knows his goose is cooked. He knows joint opposition will send him home by 10 a.m. and he has embarked on a very serious scheme to divide the opposition. Be alert. You'll see the next several days the kind of schemes he is having. Creating confusion in the opposition, buying people, dividing others. Let Kenyans